I think it's worth trying, especially if you're like this one of these creators who are really making tutorials about how to do makeup, how to lose weight, something that is connected with activity that people can really see you trying it or see you using it, so you will be able to sell more. All we gotta do is to sign up over here, and this is how it works, guys. Essentially, it will take time for TikTok to to process your request, and essentially when you sign up, TikTok will generate your account and we'll be able to create a new spreadsheet where you should agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can proceed and start working towards the process of approval. They're gonna send you 2 to 6 days after they review your application. Also, then you have to link your original TikTok account. Like I mentioned, there is a split in between.